Alright guys, today number 3 wood fill up for the girl's house over there so we can all stay warm. I've been using this saw so long, I really don't gotta check it. I can just watch and see where it's at. And everybody gives it a little slack there. So, I always look to see if these rakers are shiny. If they're shiny, they gotta get filed. This one's just starting to shine. So. If your thing's good enough, you can just rest on there to help you. I try not to lock it because then I gotta pull it off every time. Alright, once in a while I'll give it a shot of grease in there on both sides, but we ain't doing all that today. This I spill all the time though. That is black.